Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is 𝙗𝙪𝙨 and I am so excited to have you here in this video. I am so excited for today's video because I'm going to be doing sort of like a room tour, room transformation kind of video. I'm not going to do anything too crazy. I'm going to be putting a collage wall kit on my wall, of course. I am sure you've seen this everywhere. They're all over the place, Instagram, Pinterest, really everywhere, and I am so excited for the one that I have. This one is from lindley wall kits, and she was kind enough to send me one of her amazing wall kits. Just look at this gorgeous box, like look at that. So she sent me her Olivia wall kit and it comes with 110 prints, so I am really excited. It comes with this little card that says lindley wall kits for the wandering soul, and this is so amazing because she actually puts a photo on the back that is supposed to match all of her wall kits so that you can combine it and mix it with your collage kit. So there are a bunch of pictures for me to choose from. I went through all of them yesterday and they are stunning. There's a lot of pictures of Paris, which I absolutely adore. I'm thinking I'm gonna put it on the wall where my headboard is. So I'm gonna show you a clip in a second. I'm gonna lay them on my bed and trying to figure out like where I want each picture. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so I'm planning on putting it on this wall right here and maybe have it go to where the headboard goes. So just make like a line, or maybe I'll make it go down. I'm still trying to figure out.
I don't need to think about it. There's nothing in this world that we can't do. Flowers even mad about it, 'cause they can't.
Okay, so here I have all the prints that I am gonna put on my wall. I'm not exactly sure if all of this will fit because there is honestly a lot. So I'm probably gonna have to break this down into a smaller list, but let's see how this turns out. Okay, this is what it's looking like for now. I might change some pictures in the process. I know that I'm also missing a couple of them so that it fills up the whole wall, but yeah, this is what it looks like. I brought a chair from the kitchen so I can actually get to that corner. So yeah, let's get started. I read on another collage website that painter's tape is the best way to go, so let's hope for the best.
I don't see a way around it, 'cause everything has led me straight to you. It's nothing new, baby, I'm outside.
Okay, so this is what it's looking like. When I organized it on my bed, I organized it differently. I really messed up and forgot like one whole like column. I'm gonna take it all the way up to that corner. I'm really liking how it's looking for now.
I'm outside, been thinking about you all night, been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams.
Okay, so this is what the wall ended up looking. I'm gonna give you guys just a very quick room tour. So first we have my door, nothing too special. I have a couple of purses there, and then next to it we have my IKEA mirror. This is the Hobbit mirror and I love it. It is huge. Hi, there's me. And a quick little OOTD. This is from the Fabletics x Maddie Ziegler collection that's launching on the 10th. So I also have this pink stool and it is from HomeGoods, and then that pink trash can is also from HomeGoods if I'm not wrong. And then we have my bed. This is the IKEA mom bed in white, obviously. The fluffy pink throw blanket is from HomeGoods, and then this one is from IKEA. The comforter is from IKEA. That pillow, I'm not sure where that pillow is from. And then my pillow covers are also from IKEA, and then I have two fluffy pillows that I got from HomeGoods, and this one is from Target, as well as the cover. On this side of the bed I have one of my nightstands. This is the controller for one of my neon lights, and then this little silver plate is from Wish. I got some of my jewelry there. This is from HomeGoods or Ross, I'm not sure. And then I have a candle from Mod. It is one of their burn candles, one of their oil candles. And then here is a candle that I got from Marshalls. It is from DW Homes, and it is a birthday cake scented, and it is amazing. And then back there is my Google Home Mini. On my other nightstand I have a jar full of candy. I have this jewelry organizer from the Container Store. And then I also have this candle, also from DW Candles. It is cereal milk scented and it smells just like Trix cereal with milk. Of course, my neon hearts and my little planet. These are from Amazon and I'm gonna link them down below. My amazing collage wall kit, and I'm gonna definitely link it down below. Here on my window, I have a couple of sunglasses. These are from Saffold. These ones are from Shein. and these two are from Amazon. Moving on to this wall, I have my clothing rack. It is from IKEA, and then I have a couple of colorful clothing. I have my Gucci rubber slides or sandals down there. I have this neon sign, an eye, and it is from Yellow Pop, and it is amazing. And then I have my TV, which honestly I got off of Facebook Marketplace for like super cheap, so definitely check Facebook Marketplace when you're looking to furnish your new place. That right there is obviously my closet, and I love it because my closet actually has lights. Just a bit of a mess, but I try to organize by color my closet. So, yeah. So if you guys enjoyed this video, definitely let me know by liking it and leaving a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so YouTube tells you every time I upload a new video. I'll link all my social media down below, as well as every item in my room that I can possibly link and find, because some of them I know that I probably won't be able to find. And I'm also gonna link Lindley wall kits, both their Instagram and their page, so you can go check it out, because their collage kits are amazing, and it's definitely the core that doesn't break the bank. It is on the lower end of prices for collage wall kits, because I've seen some very expensive ones. So if you're looking to decorate your room, definitely check them out, because they are one of the best out there.